Emotional Intelligence 2.0. Improve your social skills and how to analyze people. Improve self-confidence, emotional agility, and your nonverbal communication. Written by Jonathan Lee. Narrated by Shaniese Reyes. Copyright 2019 by Jonathan Lee. Introduction to Emotional Intelligence. What is emotional intelligence? Drawing from a few sources, a straightforward meaning of emotional intelligence, additionally called the emotional quotient, or EQ, portrays a capacity to screen your very own feelings just as the opinions of others, to recognize and mark various emotions accurately, and to utilize emotional data to control your reasoning and conduct and impact that of others. Emotional intelligence is the thing that we use when we understand our colleagues, have profound discussions about our associations with noteworthy others, and endeavor to deal with an uncontrollable or distressed youngster. It enables us to interface with others, comprehends ourselves better, and live in an increasingly credible, sound, and happy life. Although there are numerous sorts of intelligence, and they are regularly associated with each other, there are some vast contrasts between them. EQ versus intelligence level. EQ is emotional intelligence, which, as expressed above, is tied in with distinguishing feelings in ourselves as well as other people, identifying with others, and imparting about the sentiments. Level of intelligence, then again, is intellectual intelligence. This is the intelligence that individuals are commonly most acquainted with, as the sort is frequently alluded to when intelligence is utilized. It is additionally the sort that is commonly estimated through testing and evaluated through things like evaluational point normal. Social intelligence versus emotional intelligence. Social intelligence is more firmly identified with emotional intelligence than IQ is, as the two of them have to do with exploring social or emotional circumstances. These are two particular kinds of intelligence, regardless of whether they to some degree cover. Emotional intelligence is increasingly identified with the present, in that it is utilized to distinguish and oversee feelings at the time. Social intelligence utilizes a portion of similar skills and capacities, however, is regularly engaged towards what's to come. It enables you to comprehend the sentiments, personalities, and practices of yourself as well as other people to look for effective results. Emotional intelligence in psychology. Emotional intelligence filled a hole in the standard comprehension of intelligence, particularly for clinicians. The field consistently appeared to have a general understanding that IQ wasn't all that matters, yet the hypotheses on what precisely the other significant parts have differed incredibly, and therapists couldn't concede to a single idea or thought. At the point when the possibility of emotional intelligence was first presented, analysts acknowledged it was the part of knowledge that had been absent. The framework of emotional intelligence. There are two numbers to make sure to enable you to comprehend what emotional intelligence is. These are 5 parts of the emotional intelligence model and 4 measurements to EQ. The 5 components, elements, domains of the EQ model. There are 5 segments or components of emotional intelligence. 1. Self-awareness. 2. Self-regulation.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?